taken my galopin for a successful test sail on a fantastic day.
Furled up to Genoa. It was flopping around a bit too much. It was hard to keep it, open in the scissor formation with the waves and stuff, and it was going a bit too fast. So we have time, still daylight. Slowed the boat down a tiny bit just with the mainsail, and it's still flying. I don't know how fast. I must be doing about 7 knots with just the mainsail. Mainsail is good, man. And now the subby scent never disappoints, baby. Always exciting here, even on a calm day. It was like hardly wind up there, testing out the sail, and all of a sudden we came down here, and it's just boosting. Woohoo! I gotta love it sailing over here in Cabo Verde.
And next, I would venture to Cabo Verde's biggest musical celebration. Starting Friday night, we went to see Jocelyn, international singer, originally from Santantal.
Ninguém vai destruir o que temos é for life. A química é real, no bad vibe. Eu só te quero a ti no meu bedside. Entre nós nada vai mudar. És a blessing que Deus me deu. Elas queriam o teu lugar, mas
Wendy and her friend Bruno met me at the show. We love Jocelyn. Wendy turned me on to this tune. It's our song. This is the 3rd time we've seen her perform, and she gives it her all. This is Nelson Freitas, big star worldwide. He sings in Creole, Portuguese, and English. He played most of his hits, but too many for one concert. I dedicate this one to Wendy.
Mas ele continua na mesma, ele tá bom na problema. Ai, 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 Jambin Kenya. Ai, 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 Jambin Kenya. Cabo mexendo na minha vulcão.
Cape Verde is heavily influenced by Brazil, kind of a big sister country, and this song is hugely popular here. Everyone loves to dance to it. They play here until sunrise. First night was almost over. And among thousands, you'll always bump into friends.
Hi!
Bom dia, pessoal!
Vai, filho, dança!
We needed a bit of relief, if you know what I mean. So I followed the girls.
Party keeps going on. It's Baia de Gatas. 6 o'clock in the morning. And we're still at it. Alright. Music's over. But there's more music somewhere else.
It's time to head home, and I just went with the flow.
We're on our way home. We're on a secure ride on this Alligator. And only like 500 euros, $5. Now we're on our way home. Okay, but
I love Mindelo. Tchau, por Alex, muito gostado do Mindelo, tio.
Mindelo loves you, Mindelo loves me.
Yeah.
We love Mindelo, Mindelo is the best.
Yeah. Rede sabe.
I thought we'd grab a taxi and go to Galopan, but Wendy wanted to wait here a bit and decompress. I once said to her that she was maybe embarrassed to hang out with me in public. People talk here. But she corrected me properly.
Now we're back in Mindelo.
Mas não fica estranho, essa ficar aqui gostando em mim. Porque não cansa, mano. Não cansa, onde não cansa não fala.
This is her town. People know her, and she was proud to have me by her side. I felt pretty good myself.
So Wendy said, as a YouTuber, I have to experience like a different thing here. Hanging out here and give it up what she's eating ganja. Too much malagate. That's it. And she's right, man. This is a cool experience, man. Hanging out here with people. So here we are, another night, Saturday night at the festival in Giovanna, Lily. Peter's going off to fly the drone, so you'll get good views. And it's fun tonight, I think. We're getting something to eat first.
Saturday night, the most popular of the 3 nights here, and the place was jamming. It seems like half the island's population is here, maybe 50,000 people. Wendy wanted to go one night with just her friends. I said, cool, I'll hang with my friends. After all, she hung out with me all night last night, and more. Music never stops, baby. And it's loud. And the food is good, beer's fresh. A bit too hot for grog.
So we'll try to report on this festival here. I don't know if there's much to say. It's just crazy, man. But peaceful. And I don't know, man. There's just thousands of people here now. Everybody's pretty peaceful. Music is hot. Women, you have no idea. And for you women, boys, it's good looking too, man. Incredible.
This is Dynamo, another big international star. I've seen him before and he performs. He has an amazing band and a huge list of hits too.
Okay, well, the festival continues. We just watched Dynamo. One hell of an act. These guys are real pros here, man. These guys are real talent. Now we're taking a break here with Peter. I have my smile hat on still, a little crooked. Peter ordered some moray eel, fried moray eel. And we're waiting for the next act. It's only like, what, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning?
4 minutes to 4.
Yeah, and there's like 2 more bands coming. They'll be playing until sunrise.
What the fuck? Fala que tu nem me viu. Fala que nós é o terror do Rio. Fala que eu quero ser anato, senão que você não me. Actors, love it. No estação do cinema. Direitinho de chore. Mas o monte deste jovem. Temos um marrom. Pegamos a nuvem. É que ele fica assim, ó.
It's 6:30 in the morning. The day's definitely up. The sun's not up yet. Reporting from Festival de Baia de Gatas. It's hot. It's gonna get hotter too. Savannah's hot, as you can see. Agora vou entender. Yeah, it's pretty hot here. Surrounded by hot people, hot music. There's one more band to come on. Hopefully we'll try to watch them. Trying to cool off with a few beers.
It's not helping at all.
We have no idea where Lily is. Oh no, she's at some club.
She's at Shisha.
She's at Shisha with all the cheeky people, as they
She
say here.
abandoned us.
We're here with the populace, with the regular people. It's just much more fun. Linus Santa.
Mi che boss? Come trova? Dove chiari? Chi è poi il patrono di te? Pensate che non è funny. Vedete video ma se sono altri giorni.
So I gotta tell you something. Some guy tried to tell me I was a white guy. Thanks for coming aboard Galopine Winded Voyage. This is our studios. You know, it's the good people on Patreon who are making this happen and keeping us afloat. Hope you'll join our community there. We've got a lot of cool extra perks this year, like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. Plus, our friend and patron Graham started a WhatsApp chat that he aptly called Galopine's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and we can talk, chat, uncensored, say whatever we want, and discuss anything. And it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. Or you can watch for free on YouTube. Just make sure to give us a like or dislike or leave a comment, and definitely subscribe. So thanks for coming along on Winded Voyage, man.
Spiritu baixo que la boca tem, se tu me sepandou que ele muda.